wanna be true to me.
My name is Anaïs Azul. I am a musician, teaching artist, composer, singer, songwriter. I was fortunate to get a grant from the City of Boston Mayor's Office to bring an event series to the Joe Champa Community Garden.
Strong as a tree, I wanna be.
I thought it would be really beautiful to verbalize some of the beauty that we have in ourselves that we don't often acknowledge, and also the beauty of the garden and being surrounded by plants, how that can really inspire us.
With my 2 feet planted right below me.
I feel this place is some kind of miracle because I think it creates really space for beauty and community and interaction.
True to me, true to me. I wanna grow roots like trees, strong as trees. I wanna be.
The next event was the Youth Song Day, which ended up being this beautiful sensory experience for young kids. Being in the garden really awakens your senses. You can touch these plants, see them, we can taste them, we can smell them. So I think by awakening our senses, we are able to be more present. It was a really beautiful opportunity for peaceful creativity.
Let me go. I wanna be true to me, true to me.
And the block party, seeing people play games and make music and spontaneously decide to share some of their creativity, whether it's like singing their songs or their poetry, I thought that was really beautiful. I met a lot of people who have always walked by this garden and have never been able to come inside, and they were really happy to be able to come here and take their portraits. So I feel like it's made people more aware of where their food comes from, where plants grow, and made them more eager to participate with each other.
I love to grow the vegetables, stuff like that, the flowers. I have met great people through the community here, in the garden. I think in every neighborhood to have a garden, the community will benefit from it. Something that keeps the community together.
I came here more for being part of the community than for doing individual gardening. But it is a vibrant community. We take great pride in being here, and the longer we're here, it feels like the more roots we're sending into the land.
I think community gardens, and this one in particular, give an opportunity for folks to have a place to breathe. And I think what this series has taught me is that people really, really need it. And I think community gardens should open their doors more to other people so that we can all engage with the beauty. We all could use moments to stop and smell the flowers.
And having 2 feet and having roots that follow heartbeats. Ooh, ooh. Curiously, you walked in. Curiously you were. You smelled all the petals shaped like average leaves. And you told me it smelled like peppermint. And you told me you've never seen anything like it before. Curiously you found the space of peace. Curiously you found a place of quiet. Curiously you found a space of peace. Curiously you found a place of quiet. And you told me that you feel good. That you feel good in the garden. You told me you feel good. You told me you feel good in the garden. You feel good. you feel good in the garden, that you feel good, you feel good.